Hello and welcome to Truth and Life TV. I hope you're all doing well. Good to see you. It's almost Christmas time. Merry Christmas to you all. And I wish you a happy new year. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave comments below. And also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your custom. May God bless you. Today we're going to talk about how we can get blessed. This is what we talk about on this channel. How we can move forward, how we can make things work for us. So, like I always say, the first thing you need is faith. Once you have faith in God, things will become easier for you, because none of these things work without faith in God. So once we have faith in God, the next thing we need to do is ask for forgiveness. And once we've asked for forgiveness, we thank God for that which He has already done. They say, He who gives thanks for the one that has been done will get more. So let's cultivate the habit of always thanking God. So today's video, what we will need is sand. Today I'm going to show us how we will be using sand to make things work in our favor. Do you have a market, a business that things are not working fine? Do you have, are you in a university where things seems not to be working? Everything you do, your efforts is in vain? Or in your house you feel like blessings is eluding you, blessings is not coming your way? Or do you know an office where you feel that that is where you need to work, and every time you go there it's disappointment? Or are you seeking a contract anywhere and you feel that every time things are not working? Or you have an establishment, all you need is sand from that place. Sand from that place. So once you get sand from that area of the business or your house, just, you know what is not working, just get sand from that area, a little bit from that area, and then you come home to your house and you pray on that sand, that every man, every woman that stays around that place will begin to give you favor, will begin to favor you above everyone else. So in your business, if it's not working, you take sand from there and you begin to decree the things you want your business to begin to do. You begin to decree it on that sand. If it's in your university, you take sand from there, you take it home, and then you begin to pray and decree upon the sand. Because sand is all over the world. There's no city where you cannot find sand. So that sand is a natural substance that God has placed everywhere. And with that, you can make your decree, you can make your prayer known, and it will go travel miles for you. Around your house, get sand there from time to time and pray on it. That this sand around my house, let it begin to bring favor. As it connects, the sand connects to every part of the world. So as this sand is, it should begin to bring me favor, to begin to bring me blessings from all four corners of the earth. And also, let me show us another secret. If you travel to a new place, a new country, or you travel, or you move to a new house, or you move to a new city, or you move to a new place, just get sand from that place and begin to pray. Get the sand in your hand and say, today, as I step into this city, let the city begin to open doors for me. Let the city begin to open every closed doors for me. I speak to you, the sand. begin to draw open doors to me. Begin to draw blessings to me. Begin to draw favor to me. You begin to decree what you want to happen. We are children of God, and it's in our mouth to decree what we want God to do in our lives. So if we hold back and we don't pray and we don't decree these things, then it won't happen. So you begin to decree the word of God. Begin to decree what you want to happen, and you will find that these things will begin to happen, and you will be coming back with testimonies. So like I said, wherever you step, wherever you are, you decree to the sand of that area, and should begin to draw you blessings, begin to draw you favor, begin to draw you mercy, begin to draw you the things that you want. So I hope this video is explanatory enough. If you need any more explanations, please just send me a comment. I reply to every comment. Send me a comment in the comment section, and I will do my best to answer. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave comments below. And I hope to see you in the new year. And I hope you have a blessed Christmas. Bye for now.